Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this absolutely beautiful Outlander PHEV. It's a 2025 SEL trim level here in Canada. So one below the GT, loaded with nice options. We'll check them out in this video. And this one also has nice accessories on it. Hood emblem, side moldings, vent visors, has the bumper plate in the back, and also door sills. Those chrome door sills. All of these accessories you can find on mrmitsubishi.ca. I ship to Canada, US, Australia, many places. Go and check out the website. And now we can check out the vehicle here. So this one here is cosmic blue with light gray interior. I gotta say, cosmic blue is one of my absolutely favorite combinations of colors, like cosmic blue and this light gray interior. And if we add this these accessories, then the vehicle looks even better. So we can see how because it's an SEL trim level, we don't have these corner effects body color painted, but it's a dark color and it's a plastic right here, so it doesn't contrast too much. It actually looks really good the way it is. And this the contrast, it actually makes sense. And this cosmic blue, I really like how, depending on the light, it just looks different. So this one here, we can see as this part right here, you get a little bit of sunshine here, not too much because sun is hiding behind the clouds today, but we can see how we have this blue, nice blue, sparkling blue coming to life, and together with all the chrome effects, it actually looks really good. So let's go to the front of the vehicle and we'll check it out. By the way, I'm located here at Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam, British Columbia, Canada, and you can always come in and test drive any vehicle that you want. We have these new cars. We have a bunch of good used, even higher end vehicles. Construction is happening right now. Lots of things going on. So, okay, let's check out the front. So we have nice dynamic shield, and we have this lower bumper part is, satin painted, and we can see how all the design, it just makes sense. And together with this Outlander hood emblem, it just pops out. Chrome makes a lot of sense on this color combination, this cosmic blue and light gray interior, which we're gonna check out in a sec. But we can see how nicely it looks. Everything just makes so much sense visually when we look at the front of the vehicle. This Outlander badging even stands out from a very far distance. We can see it right here, pops right up. These nice dynamic shield chrome. If you want your chrome to contrast a lot, this is a very good color to go with, the cosmic blue, because you have lots of good chrome contrast going on. And as we move to the side, we can see how the two-tone polished aluminum wheels stand out. And again, we have this plug-in hybrid electric vehicle badge right here. That's how we can identify that this is a PHEV. Also, the side molding that we put on has this nice chrome element right here, and we have this PHEV lettering here. So when it comes to side moldings, you can go two ways. Either you can leave it with the PHEV or have it say Outlander. It's totally up to you, whatever you want. Nice chrome line right here, and then we have these nice vent visors. I absolutely like these vent visors. I really like this Outlander badge. That's, I think, my favorite part about this Outlander badge. It looks really good, and you can see how these are nice and thick. I do sell a lot of these as well on my accessory shop, mrmitsubishi.ca. You can check it out. I just shipped one actually 2 days ago to I think it was somewhere in Canada, so somebody's gonna get it so they can install this as well. Roof rails, and we have, of course, the panoramic sunroof. We'll check out the interior in a bit. Just want to do first this visual walk around so we see how it goes. We also do have the mud flaps here, so we can see how they look. Really good looking mud flaps. I really like how they look, how they enhance the look. Again, because we have plastic, and this bottom part is plastic as well. It's not body color painted because it's not a GT model. Everything just makes a lot of sense. And then as we move down here, so we can see we have this bumper protector in chrome, and also we have this lower part is again body color paint, the satin painted, so it all makes sense together. So this one here, of course, has the kick motion, so we can activate the tailgate like this just by kicking and opening. And we can see what's inside of the trunk. So we have one solid seat right here that we can fold down many different ways. We have floor mats from the factory. We have the charger from the factory. So the charger does come from the factory, and not a lot of cars, electric cars anymore, offer the charger from the factory. Mitsubishi still does. That's a big dollar value. I hope they don't take it away. I hope they'll always have the charger with them. So that makes a difference as well to many clients. Okay, that's the exterior. Again, let's have a very quick look at this beautiful color. Cosmic blue, it's called. Absolutely love it. And especially how it changes as it, like, you know, as the sun hits the paint. It's just beautiful, and together with this light gray interior just gives you this luxurious vibes. As you open the door, we can see all the diamond stitch, how nicely the two-tone, you know, door is looking with the plastic part. And almost dropped my phone, but didn't drop it. I caught it, so my apologies about that. There we go. I got my phone back in my hands. You know, this video thing is a dangerous thing. Sometimes you can damage your phone, but I'm good. I caught my phone. We're all good. Let's get going here. So this is how the interior looks with the diamond stitch and light gray. I've seen these vehicles come also when they have already some 20-30,000 kilometers on them, and you know what, this the seats, they're holding up nicely. And especially if you want to maintain them, clean them with something, don't be afraid that they're gonna get super dirty. You should not get it. Not the case from what I've seen. Quite happy. So please note that the headliner is also a gray on this, so you get this lighter, brighter feel when you're in the vehicle. Also massive sunroof here, panoramic sunroof. That makes also a difference on your day-to-day drive. So let's check out the interior. Nice big thick steering wheel. I like the Outlander steering wheel. Same steering wheel on PHEV and gas Outlander. So again, same interior, so there's not many differences between the two. The only difference is visually. These two buttons are added on PHEV. One is for the EV selector, so we can select the EV mode, and the other one is for innovative pedal or one pedal drive. The rest does the same, just the PHEV will have this power mode. I highly recommend, if you have a PHEV yourself, you haven't tried it, or you're going for a test drive, try the power mode. It looks like this when it's on. Right here, power, and it'll also say right here, power. Really cool. It's like a sports mode, so the car becomes very fast. Highly recommend you try it. So this one here being SEL, we have good options. We have heated steering wheel, heated seats. We have 2 memory positions for driver, 2 memory positions for the passenger, and all around steering wheel is heated. Not only this part, there's many cars who have only this part right here heated, but this PHEV has everything is heated. So 12.4 inch LCD screen, very big screen. You have lots of information here. Nice secondary screen. We also have navigation here. We can click it right here. Okay, there we go. Navigation. We have 360 camera. All sorts of goodies in this car. So my favorite in the car, always panoramic sunroof. Has this shade that you can close if you don't want that extra sunlight coming in. It's up to you, but I'm a big fan of these light gray interior, and again, it just feels inside so light and bright, and you feel very optimistic when you drive this car, that's for sure. Okay, let's check out the second row, because we have few things that we need to talk about in the second row. Number one, the seats are heated, so that's super important right now that we're in a winter season. You can see that the seats are heated. So the middle part obviously is not, it's just this part right here, and you can have your own climate settings here for the back. Also, keep in mind that you can adjust the back of the seat. So you have 60-40 split. You can fold them flat or adjust it individually, and you can slide them forwards, backwards as well. You can have lots of pockets here if you need, you know, to put your stuff away while you're driving. Door sills right here, Outlander, and it makes a big difference. Again, I forgot to show that as we open the driver's door. We can see it right here. It says Outlander, chrome stands out. And I really like the contrast between this cosmic blue and the chrome that you have once you're installing these accessories. So overall, very nice looking vehicle. And again, one of my favorites, cosmic blue with light gray interior. and especially with all these accessories added, it just looks really, really beautiful. So thank you so much for checking out this video today. I hope you like the Outlander PHEV as much as I do. Leave a comment if you maybe have one, and if you want to test drive one, always you can stop by here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. So thank you so much again, and see you next time around.